Hello, good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to take the class 10, and in 10 we will read about the SCF and LCM today. First we have to understand the basic concept of SCF and LCM, and then after we will solve the problem. So, see here, SCF means highest common factor, and this SCF is also known as GCF, greatest common factor. And first we have to understand F means what? Factor. So, let us take here 10. So, what is the factor of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10, and take the factor of 12. 12 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. 3, 4, 6, 12. The factor of this 10 is 1, 2, 5, 10, and here 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and the factor of 10 and 12 is here. And then after you have to find common factor. You have to see what are the common factor in between these two number. So, what are the common factor? So, 1, 1, 2, 2, and then after is there anyone? No. So, here the common factors are 1 and 2. These are the common factors between the factors of 10 and 12, number of the 10 and 12. So, then after we have to come here H means highest. So, between these two factors, which one is the highest factor? 2. So, this 2 is the what? SCF. So, SCF equal to how much? 2. Like this we have to understand what is the meaning of highest common factor, means SCF. So, firstly you have to find the factors of any two numbers, then after you have to find out the common factor for both numbers, and in common factors what are the highest number of the factor, that is the SCF. This is the basic concept of the SCF. And now we have solved a lot of numerical problem about the SCF, like see here 10. So, find the prime factor. 2 5 ja 10, 5 1 ja 5, and 12, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. So, here write down 10 means 2 into 5 into 1. You can write 1 also, that not necessary also, and then after 12, 2, 2, 3. So, what is common in both? 2. Therefore, SCF equal to how much? 2. SCF equal to how much? 2. You can take here 1 also. So, like this 2 1 ja 2. See here. So, like means SCF means highest common factor, means first you have to find out the factor of the both numbers, then after you have to find out the common factor of both numbers, and then after in common factor you have to take the higher number, means greater number of the factors, that is the SCF. This is the basic concept of the SCF, my dear students. And then after let us move toward the LCM. What is LCM? Means lowest common multiple. So, in LCM see here, LCM, lowest common multiple, lowest common multiple. So here also firstly you have to find out the multiple of any two numbers or three numbers, then after you have to find out common multiples of both numbers, and then after in common multiples of both numbers you have to find out the lowest number, and that is the what? LCM. That is the what? LCM. So take any number, like here I have taken 2. So write down the multiple of 2. So multiple of 2 is what? 2, 4, 8, 8, 2, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and likewise take here 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33 and 36, 36, and here likewise take 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. So see here, likewise we have to take the multiple of 2 and multiple of 3. So see there, if their common multiples are there, so find out from here. What is here? 6, 6 common multiples. 6 is here, and then after keep on finding, searching there. 12 is here, 12, then after 18, 18 is also here, then after 24, 24, then after 30, 30. So the multiples of 2 and 3. So multiples of 2 and 2 are here, and the multiples of 3 are here. A lot of multiples are here, 2 and 3. Of all these are the multiples of the 2 and 3. So you have to find out what are the common multiples of both 2 and 3. So 6 is here, 12 is here, 18 is here, 24 is here, and 30 is here. So out of these multiples, common multiples, these are the common multiples of 2 and 3. So out of these common multiples, which one is the lowest one? Which one is the lowest one? We have find out the multiples, and then after we have find out here common multiples, and then we have to find out lowest common multiples. So which one is the lowest common multiple? 6. So LCM equal to what? 6. LCM equal to what? 6. This is the way to find out the LCM, and this is the basic concept of the LCM, means lowest common multiples. Among so many common multiples, which one is the smaller one? That is the LCM. That is the LCM. And then after, let's find out here. We have used to do like 2 1s are 2, then after 3 1s are 3. Therefore, LCM means what? Product of this and this. 2 into 3 means what? 6. 2 into 3 means 6. See here, this is the answer. So we have studied the basic concept of SCF and LCM, my dear students. Now we will solve some questions about the LCM and HCF. I think is there no any problem. So, how to find the LCM and HCF? See here. So, let us take a question. Here, find the HCF of a square b minus a square b square and 2a square b minus a square b square minus ab square. So, to find the HCF of this expression, firstly we have to find out their factors, like we have already done, we have done 9, 8, 7, like same we have to first we have to find the factor by using factorization method. So, here first expression, what is the first expression is given here? A square b minus a square b square. So, to factorize any kind of expression, either binomial expression or trinomial expression or so on. Firstly, what you have to see, my dear students, whether there is common or not. If there is common, then firstly you have to take the common. So, you are watching here, we have to find out the common, means that the HCF of this expression. So, what is here common? Here the a square and here is also a square. So, we have to take a square is common and here b power 1 and in second term b power 2. So, lowest power we have to take common, that is b. So, what is left here? 1 minus b, 1 minus b like this, and you can further write this, a means a into a, b 1 minus b like this. This is the factor of first expression, and likewise second expression, what is given? 2a square b square minus a square b square minus ab square. So, how many terms are here, my dear students? 3 terms. This is the trinomial expression. So, I have told you just now, if there is common, then firstly you have to take common and then after you have to factorize. So, let us see is there is common or not. See here, a square a power 1. So, always you have to take the lowest power as common. So, a is common and then after b square. So, what is here? B is common. So, how much left inside the bracket? Here 2 a b. What is left? 2 a b. Sorry, I have done mistake. No, here is b is only, here is b square. Sorry, my dear students. So, what is common here? B is common. So, means 2a minus ab minus how much here? B, like this. A square a is common. See again, b power 1, b square means b is common. So, how much left? 2a is here a b and here only b, and then after factorize 2 1 ja 2, by subtracting how much we should get? 1. So, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 minus 1 means what? 1. So this is the factor. So a b, put here curly bracket, 2a minus ab, 2 minus 1, because 2 minus 1 means 1 minus b. Now open the bracket. So here will be the small bracket, here will be the small bracket. So 2a minus, don't forget to multiply, minus into plus, minus 2 into ab, 2ab, minus into minus, plus ab into 1, ab minus b. Now after splitting the middle coefficients into two parts, we have got how many parts here? 4 parts, 4 terms. So between two respective terms we have to take common, So see here, in between these two terms and these two terms we have to take common. So ab is already here, so put here curly bracket. Then after, how much common here? 2a is common, 2a. How much left here? 1, and here minus b, and then after here plus b is common, plus b is common. How much left? How much left here? B is common means how much left? A minus 1. Why mistakes is there? What is the problem? Question mistake हो गया. Sorry my dear. Here sorry, in question it is given b cube. Very sorry my dear students. Very sorry. So how much common here? B means here b square, yes, what is the 2aq? All here mistakes. Cube is there, I have written here. Once see my dear students, here is actually while writing the question, his mistakes is here. 2a cube, a cube b. So here is a cube. A cube means how much common? A cube, b cube. A b is common means a square, and then after b is common, so a square, ab, b square. Here a square. So how much common here? A square, b square, b square. So how much left here? Here 2a is common, so is left how much? A, and here b is common, so is left what? B. So see there, what is common here? Further a minus b. So ab, a minus b, 2a plus b, 2a plus b, and then after C you have to find out the SCF. So first see here, what is here common? A, it should be in both expression. So a is here outside the bracket, b is here, both are common. This a has no any pair, so leave it, and then after what is here? What is here? A minus b, 2a plus b, 2a plus b, 2a plus b, and then after nothing is common there. Here 1 minus b is here a minus b, here 2a plus b. So this is the what? SCF, this is the answer. only you have to take the common factors in both first expression and in second expression. So, is there any problem? So, once again see, here is a square b minus a square b square. So, in between this term a b is common, a square is common and b is common. So, what is left here inside the bracket? 1 minus b. So, factorize this, a square means a into a b, and then after here, so same way you have to, first you have to take the common. After taking the common, if there is 3 terms, then you have to factorize. After getting the factors, then you have to find the common factor in both expression, and that is the SCF, that is the answer, my dear students. Yes, let us see other. Let us see other example. Sometime it happened while writing the question, something slipped. See there. So, likewise here question is here given x square minus 9 x cube minus 27 and x square plus x minus 12. Again see, x square minus 9 x cube minus 27 and x square plus x minus 12. See there, how many expressions are given here? 3 expressions. So, we have to find out the SCF of these expressions. So, how to find out? Like same, firstly you have to factorize each of the given expression. So, here solution, first expression is what? X square minus 9. So, you are watching here, is anything is common here? No. Then a first term is completely in square form, but second term is given in number. And what is the number? 9. So, my dear students, 9 we can write the square of 3. So, here we can write x square minus 3 square. So, x square minus 3 square means we know the formula a square minus b square means what? A minus b, a plus b. So, use this formula. So, here a means what? X. So, x minus 3, b means 3, another is x plus 3. This is the factor, and we cannot factorize this further. So, again take second expression. What is second expression? As given x cube 27. Here is also nothing is common there. So, we can very easily we can write the 27 in the form of cube like 3 cube. So, right here x cube minus 3 cube. Now, what is the formula of a cube minus b cube? You know very well, my dear students. A cube minus b cube in factor form means what? A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula, and this formula we have to use here. So, a means what? X, b means what? 3, a minus b, then after a square plus ab, x into 3 plus b square means 3 square. Now, simplify x minus 3, x square plus 3x plus square of 3 is what? 9. So, once again see whether it can be factorized or not. So, 9 1 ja 9, coefficient of x square is here what? 1. So, 9 1 ja 9, and the factor of 9 is what? 9 1 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9. By the sign of last term is what? Plus here. So, by adding how much we should get? 3. So, 9 plus 1 means 10, 3 plus 3 means 6. It is not we cannot get the 3. So, it cannot be factorized further one. So, again take third expression. Third expression. What is third expression is here? X square plus x minus 12. X square plus x minus 12. See here. So, x square plus x minus 12 means firstly same thing is there. Always while factorizing either in SCF or LCM, you have to see at first whether there is common or not. If common, then first you have to take common and then after you have to factorize. So, in first term x, second term x, in last only number is there. So, nothing is common in number and variable also. So, what is the rule to factorize? First you have to, what is the coefficient here? 1. So, first you have to multiply the coefficient of first term and last term. The coefficient of first term is what? 1 and last term is what? Means x power 0. Coefficient of x power 0 is what? 12. So, 12 1 ja 12 and you have to find out the possible factors of 12 in two parts. So, right here. So, what is that? 6 2 ja 12 and then after 4 3 ja 12. Is any more is there? No. And then after, what is the sign of last term is here? Minus. So, by subtracting is all in these factors, we should get how much? 1. So, which one is valid? See here, 12 minus 1 means 11, not valid. 6 minus 2 is what? 4, not valid. 4 minus 3 is what? 1, it is valid. So, we have to use this factor. So, see here, x square plus x, this 4 minus 3, if plus sign is here. So, by adding we should get the coefficient of middle and then after minus sign is there. So, by subtracting we should get the coefficient of middle term. So, minus 12 and then after x square plus into plus, very carefully my dear students, you have to open the bracket. While opening the bracket, here plus sign, firstly you have to multiply with the sign whatever inside the bracket, with number whatever inside the bracket, with the variable whatever inside the bracket. So, plus into plus, plus 4 into x 4, 4x plus into minus, minus 3 into x 3x minus 12, minus 12 and then after again we have got 4 terms, 4 parts. So, between 2 terms we should take common. So, how much common in the first term here? First 2 terms x. So, what is left here? X plus 4. Here is x and in the second term 4. And what is common here? 3. So, x and again do not forget to multiply the sign while taking the common. Minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus means 3 4 ja 12, 4 is here. So, after taking the common, whatever left inside the bracket, they must be same. If different, it means somewhere mistake is there. So, take common, then after x plus 4, take common and what is left? X minus 3, x minus 3 and then after SCF. See here, in all 3 expression, if common then only we have to take, not only in 2. See here. So, what is here? In first term, in first expression x minus 3 is here, in second expression x minus 3 is also here, in third expression x minus 3 is also here. So, this is x minus 3, this is the SCF and here x plus 3 in second expression no is there, third expression also not there. So, what is common in all 3 expression, that is only we have to take. If nothing is common there, so what is the SCF? 1 is there. What is the SCF? 1 is there. If in all 3 expression nothing is common there, then we should take 1. The SCF will be how much? 1, because 1 into this, 1 into this, 1 into this. So, if nothing is common in all 3 expressions, so the SCF will be how much? 1 is SCF, you have to write. Okay. And let's see one more question, and you have to practice at home. Likewise same, see there, here 4x square minus 100 and 4x plus 20, 4x plus 20, 4x plus 20. So, like same solution, first expression, what is first expression here given? 4x square minus 100. So, firstly we should take the common, what is common is there, take the commons, what is common? 4 is common. So, 4x square minus 25, 25 4 is 100. So, again 4 x square we can write, the square of 5 is what? 25. Now, use the formula a square minus b square. So, a square minus b square means what? A minus b, a plus b. This is the factors of the first expression. This is the factor, these are the factors of the first expression. Now, in second expression, what is given? 4x plus 20, and then after this is also binomial expression. So, same thing, always you have to see whether common is there or not. If common, then we should take common. Yes. So, what is common in both term? 4 is common. So, what is left? X plus 5, x plus 5, and then after see in both expression, what are the common factor? So, see here, here is 4, here is also 4. So, 4 is the common, x plus 5 is the common. So, 4 into x plus 5 is the what? SCF. Here x minus 5 is given, but in second expression it is not there. So, x minus 5 is not allowed to take, because it is not common in both. Only we have to take whatever common in both expression, that is the SCF. My dear students, this is the answer. This is the answer. So, I have first we have to know the concept. We have studied today SCF, highest common factor. So, firstly you have to find the factor of any two numbers, then after you have to find out common factors, and among the factors what is the highest one, that is the SCF. And likewise same, LCM means lowest common multiples. Firstly you have to find out the multiples of any two numbers, then after you have to find out the common multiples, and then after you have to find out the least number of the common multiples of both numbers. Yes, that is what LCM, that is what LCM. And the problem we are doing now, tomorrow also we will do. So, I hope that you are studying very well, my dear students. So, today this much. Thank you very much.